What are you doing?
It says never stop pushing. I was figuring that's how you.
Well, you stopped.
Whoa, whoa, be careful.
Whoa, Luke, where'd you come from?
Can I try?
The Braille one? Oh, really? Aww.
This is getting wrong. At first it was funny, now it's just wrong.
Second thought.
Oh.
What?
Insoles. Help yourselves, guys.
Frotty sounds like a awesome rap name. Yo, what's up? This is Little Frotty.
Young Friday got the shotty, yeah, I'm pulling. Just kidding, I don't rap.
Frotty Potter.
Actually, guys, it's pronounced Frote.
Letter for Aaron Kyro. If you are not Aaron Kyro, do not open this. Aaron, please open when you're home.
Ah, that's so tempting. No, don't. Just let it be. Here's the board. Really nice looking. Wow, Freddie. Hey guys, so we made this board together and we had very much fun with it. We hope you enjoy skating it like we did. It's a girl deck, which we painted white, and now there's glow paint on it. As a grip, it has insoles. We bought 18 pieces and it costs us 18 francs. And normally it costs like 70, but it was a sale. Thanks for skating it. Diego and Dimitri from Switzerland. Oh my gosh, we know somebody else from Switzerland.
You guys know Fabian?
Of course, everybody knows everybody.
You know
in
Rival Flavin?
Instagram. We sent you 3 other packs of insoles and 1 pack of the glue we use if something breaks or so. Just like Fabian, you guys are extremely considerate. I'm officially a fan of everyone from Switzerland, except for Fabian.
Because he left us.
Because he travels.
This is America, it's Fabian.
He's gonna set it up.
I thought it was Fabio.
Kind of smells like
That
it.
one looks used. Kelly is just can't get over the fact that it's hairy on the bottom.
What? No, I don't know. I'm just curious what they're made out of.
Whoa!
Did you really just do that?
That was epic.
You can't do that?
Yo, so some people think I have a week left when I Millie Rock. Let's show them really quick and see if I have a week left.
Have you been practicing?
Yeah, a little bit. So let me know if you guys think I have a week left.
Haters gonna hate.
I wish that so bad that Fabio was here to read that note.
It's all done.
Should we let Carlos tray flip the 7?
Carlos, tray flip the 7, first try.
Straight flip the 7.
Go get him, Tiger.
Sitting down, having a beautiful conversation with Fetty, and Luke just corrupts me and tells me to. Okay, well, I'll try it. So I'm gonna see if this thing even trays. I'm not really trying to die right off the back. I don't even know what the nose and tail is. Oh, sorry. Try another one.
It trays, and now he's gonna go all in. I don't know if this was the right idea to request this because he's of course doing it now.
Oh, it's long. Okay. Gotta get speed for this.
The first trick he's doing a tray flip down the 7. Should we do a kickflip off or no? I guess we'll save that for later.
It's a good thing I gave you my phone.
Scorpion.
I landed exactly where my phone was in my pocket.
See, back in the day, an ollie down the 7 was a big deal. This day and age, it's got to be a tray flip first try.
Oh, sorry, Lance. You know what the problem is? #1 rule in skating: commit. So for you guys, I'm gonna really try this time.
He's gonna go for it.
Yeah.
We're not gonna try to talk him out of it. I'm gonna really rethink my trick selection next time I challenge him to something. Straight onto a 7-stair sesh like it's nothing.
I'm just gonna try something a little bit different, and I'll land this. The blood is flowing now. Let's do this.
Please don't let it flow onto the cement. Let's keep it inside the skin. Woo-hoo! That was so good. Oh my god.
Maybe he needs a tray flip double. Like, it's a little more impressive, you know?
Yeah, or over the rail maybe. If you land this right here, I will make Luke go and buy you a Jamba Juice. And
pizza.
give you a foot massage. Okay, pizza. I'll buy you pizza, actually. And I really mean that.
And we'll give them both a foot massage.
Hell yeah.
Oh, all right, right. And technically it's a land.
Defense.
You're getting a foot massage tonight.
All right.
First the sunscreen, now foot massage.
If you don't think he can land it, that's insulting.
Right here for back massage too.
God. That's a shocker.
He's gonna need that back massage.
This is weird. This is the longest it's ever taken me to trace something.
You are earning that massage.
Extra.
Sometimes skateboarding can just be the hardest job, dude.
A little preview.
Maybe he's not landing it because the back,
doesn't want a
massage is on the line. This try, no massages.
No massage. Damage report?
It's not really any, actually. It's holding up pretty well. Scorpion number 4. Ooh.
I got your back.
He's gonna be on TV.
Hi, buddy.
Dude, that was insane.
See? That just shows, man. I can't do everything all the time. I have trouble too.
Kickflip
I
off?
watched it happen.
Normally we do the kickflip off first, but I guess we should do that now.
On flat?
Yeah.
I told him I was gonna get his back. I only got one try though.
Oh, you know,
One try, get
I'll
his back.
kickflip down this set. Might as well.
I got one try on this.
Heck, we've got him started. We might as well just keep him going.
Don't do it, Carlos. I gotta get your back. Get out of here.
Oh, crap. Little cramp.
It's just a cramp. A bad one, but a cramp.
I don't got his back. At all. Not even the slightest bit. Sorry, Carlos. Let you down.
Yeah.
Wow. What the hell, man? That was awesome. Me versus you, kickflip off?
Let's do it.
All right.
You go first.
As the comments will probably say, real skating begins. I got closer than I was expecting. All right, well, that was a fun kickflip off.
Hey, you get a rebuttal though.
Okay, I'm still in it.
You go land that.
One more rebuttal.
He is the skate god. He can do whatever he wants.
7 more rebuttals. Good enough.
I just want to do one trick. Oh, this is scary.
What even was that?
It's called a Miller flip.
Oh no.
Rolling.
It's more grippy than you
Rolling?
think.
Do
What
it
do people
rolling.
want to see?
It's more grippy than you think.
For a back massage.
Now.
Luke, do a Miller flip.
Let me strawberry milk.
I know a trick you want to see.
There's a certain point where you're too good, and Carlos hit that about 20-something years ago.
Oh my God, no! You're psychotic.
Actually, Luke kind of could do it.
You're psychotic.
Wait, what is that?
I'll just
What was
go.
that?
So that's that me first because you were trying to do scissors.
First, second, third.
Anything.
Anything on flat ground counts. Go dirty.
All right, Carlos Lastra, if that's your real name.
Big ups, big ups.
Anything on flat ground
I
count.
don't know why I played
No, the
this
board's
game.
not even
I shouldn't
level
have played. I can't even. Okay, I'm just gonna fall. Oh, almost.
That was so
Outta
clean.
Trying to shine with my one trick.
Yeah. We're gonna count that.
That is.
When you get Carlos Lastra a trick,
I'm a human. God.
You're not human,
My
Carlos.
hair
Stop
grows
lying.
just like the hair in
No,
your.
it doesn't.
Never mind.
I was almost good, actually.
I don't get it.
Really, Luke? A heel flip? Like, come on.
what else am I gonna
Make
do?
it different with the only thing on flat ground counts.
Here he goes.
Now we're gonna see what we're supposed to be doing.
What even is that?
It's cool. I get to do like a lot of fun tricks now.
We're gonna count that, man.
Just nollie blind shove and just let it go.
Just nollie blind shove.
Let it go.
Right up.
Let it go.
Dude, Bobby Travels would be so proud of you. Oh, was that on purpose or?
With Carlos, it was.
It's true. I know. If there's anyone doing Carlos, I'd be like, Luke, come on. We're gonna count it.
So close.
Yes.
Anything
Anything.
counts. Anything counts.
don't even know what to do.
Where even was your duck walk? Yes. That was sick.
Skateboarding's like a science experiment. You never know. You just try stuff.
Oh.
What's cool about this, it's so soft, so it doesn't even hurt my hand. Oh!
Bringing the moves.
New trick.
Sorry about this, guys. It's called the frog ollie. You gotta really like bend your leg. It's like literally bend like a frog, dude.
Defense. No, just kidding.
Oh,
It seems easy, but it's
that
probably
hurt
really
so bad. Ooh.
Boned it.
He really did. He took my trick and one-upped me.
That was savage. Do that off the 7 into the bowl.
That would be crazy,
Do it down the
actually.
5 at Braille House.
And frog ollie down the 5. Nigel just happened to be texting during that. Like, how do you explain that?
It's called the merry-go-round.
Your turn, Nigel.
I'll count that. That's actually a good attempt.
Hey, I know what you should do next.
Huh.
Kickflip.
The land stance on the board?
Ah, I was going for the maul grab.
Yeah, I'm not used to this. I don't know what to do. Do you make this up on the fly, or you just
Some of them, yeah.
like you just never done that before and you just did it?
That one, yeah, I've done before, but I think of them like right on the spot. See, this is the type of skating I like doing.
Lucky Luke. Strikes again.
Oh!
Carlos said he's gonna ollie like this off the stairs after.
Ollie in, now ollie out. You gotta really pop it like this.
Okay, down to 5. Hit it.
5, first try.
Yeah. Little damage, nothing unusual. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. You don't need a regular board to skate a mani pad. You need insole grip tape. Nigel can't have it. Nigel cannot have it.
Don't ever in your life do that again. Ever. I'm gonna break your kneecap. That's my no. No. Get,
Hey, we're from.
you know what? No. Nope. Time out. He's not doing this anymore.
I guess that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
That was a lot of fun. Carlos absolutely killed it. Everybody else killed it. And if you guys have something you want to send us, send it to skated@brailleskateboarding.com. I do read the comments every day, and I really appreciate you guys taking the time to A, watch the video, and B, comment on the video.
Just be
Like
involved.
the video.
Be
Any
involved.
involvement, I really appreciate it. I know you guys have busy lives, and for you to take the time to come and watch our videos means a lot. So thank you so much. We will see you next time. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Peace.
Post notifications on.
A two, a Chattanooga choo-choo. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey, December 23rd to January 8th. Yeah, everything is up to 50% off.
Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get skateboarding made simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.